Hi, welcome to Sri Krishna Kitchen. Today I am preparing egg roast. Ingredients required for this egg roast: 3 eggs, 2 big onions cut into small pieces, 2 small green chilies, 2 big ripe tomatoes cut into small pieces, dry chili paste, turmeric powder, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, roasted cumin seed, garam masala powder, salt to taste. This is my Sunday special. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Preparation: switch on the gas, kept kadai. It's hot now. Add 2 teaspoon coconut oil, add onions and green chili. Here I have taken small 2 green chilies. Saute it until golden brown. Add a little salt to cook faster. It's golden brown. Add tomato. Saute it. Now add 2 teaspoon red chili paste, mix well. Add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon garam masala powder. Half teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder. Mix well. Smash the tomatoes very well. Add turmeric powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute it. Salt to taste. It's done, friends. Now let us add coriander leaves. Make small pieces of coriander leaves and mix it. Mix it very well. It's done. Switch off the gas. Now preparation for egg roast. Kept pan. Keep on medium flame. Add coconut oil. Make the flame low. Add this tea to the pan. spread it and make space for the eggs. Friends, you make like this. So here let us add eggs. Keep on low flame. Now break the egg and add here where we have made space for the eggs. Don't break the egg yolk. Slowly add it. Yes, it has come perfectly. Here, just see friends. Now at this stage, let us add. We'll add little salt to this. Just little salt, and to make it more tastier, we'll add little pepper powder. Just sprinkle. Then dried chili powder. If you want spicy, you can add more. Let's cook this. We'll keep on medium flame. Here each one will make it separately. While turning this to cook other side, we'll slowly move this to other side. Yes. Now each one is separated. Let it cook well. Yellow part, egg yolk, we have to cook it well. Slowly you can break the egg yolk to cook well. Yes. Make the flame low. We'll transfer this to the serving plate. Let us fry the bread. It goes very well with the bread. This is my Sunday's breakfast. Add butter. Butter I prepared at home. Don't make it crunchy bread. Let it melt. We'll fry the bread. Add butter and fry. Make it hot. It's done. My egg roast is ready. It goes very well with the bread, chapati and dosa. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.